Even though Tyler and I live in Anchorage, we really don't visit downtown very often, which is why we're super excited to be spending the entire weekend downtown Anchorage for a little fun staycation. We cannot wait to show you guys the best places to eat, the best things to do, and of course, the best place to stay. We actually ended up making our way all the way down to L Street, which is one end of downtown, and then our goal for the day is to kind of make our way back over to our hotel, which we will be giving you a full tour of later in this video. Our first stop this morning was your recommendation, the Snow City Cafe. I'll be honest, we've never really been a big fan, but we wanted to test it out one more time before giving it our final verdict, and it was a bit better than we remembered. So if you're looking for a great breakfast spot downtown, then this is a great place to go. And onwards, because it's really chilly today. And icy. We found an antique estate sale shop, so I couldn't resist. We're going inside. If you are looking for something totally unique that showcases Alaska's very unique history, then that is the place to go. We couldn't take any videos for you guys. We saw some incredible photographs and truly handmade items in there that you probably won't see in any of the other stores downtown. So if you're looking for a unique stop, then this is definitely the place to go. Next stop of importance is the Captain Cook Hotel. And even though we've never actually stayed there ourselves, they have an incredible restaurant up on the top floor that has 360 views of Cook Inlet called the Crow's Nest, and it's a really nice restaurant if you're looking for someplace kind of fancy to go eat. Next up is all the different gift shops located right here in downtown Anchorage. Chances are you'll find some very quirky, I've actually never been in here, and probably very local souvenirs. The best part about visiting these gift shops in the winter is that literally everything is on sale.
Oh, cool.
So apparently if you come into the visitor center, you can mail a postcard for free, so we're gonna do it.
Which one did you pick?
I picked the bear.
Yeah.
This is a great reminder that downtown Anchorage is where all the trolley tours start from. We had a really fun time with them last fall, so if you're coming and you want to see the best sights of Anchorage, then this is one of the best ways to do it, and I'll link that video right here. Our next stop is something we're super excited about because we've actually never visited the Anchorage Museum before, and the pictures we've seen online make it seem pretty cool. And even though there's a fee and we like to keep things kind of budget, we're gonna go check it out. Nestled in the heart of Anchorage, this local museum showcases the area's rich history, art, and even some local science projects. You can explore exhibits on native culture, the northern lights, go stargazing in the planetarium, and even admire some modern art, all inspired by Alaska, of course. Just conveniently walking around the museum, and we can actually see our hotel not too far over there.
Our hotel is right there.
There's plenty of interactive science displays and art galleries, so there's definitely something for everyone or any age. So this exhibit actually mimics the bioluminescent lights you can find in nature. By far my favorite exhibit yet. That's crazy.
So cool looking.
Thoughts on the museum?
I thought it was pretty good. There's a lot of artifacts from like native Alaskans and just Alaska itself, so I would definitely recommend it. I enjoyed it.
Before heading back to the hotel, we decided to add on a little pit stop because Tyler needs to get a new belt. So we came to the downtown mall to hopefully find a new belt for him.
What color do you think?
I don't know.
I found a new belt.
Good job.
Thanks.
Turns out I did a little bit more shopping than Tyler did. Now it's time for a snack. Welcome to Anchorage Pelmeni. Pelmeni is a traditional Russian food, and it's essentially like a dumpling with either meat or potato inside, and then you dip it in sour cream. You need sour cream.
You have to.
If you only try one spot here, then this is the place to go for a really good snack.
Delicious.
So good. After exploring downtown Anchorage literally all day long, it's finally time for us to head back to our hotel and give you guys a complete hotel tour. Welcome to the Aviator Hotel. The entire hotel is actually under construction right now. They're totally revamping it. They're adding a brewery, they're adding rooftop fire pits, they're adding an on-site cafe and a restaurant, and they're totally redoing the roofs. Starting with the lobby, you can see that these blue walls are just temporary fixes for what they're putting in the next couple months. They do have some models up of what they're planning to put in, and even though it's under construction right now, they still have a little goodie section and you can grab some coffee. And the best part is that the staff has been some of the friendliest we've ever had at a hotel.
Nice. Good to have you guys. Is it a first time stay with us?
Yes, it is.
Awesome. How do you pronounce it?
Raarup?
Okay. Can I call you Deborah?
Yeah, Deborah's good.
Okay.
Moving on. This is where the elevator is gonna be, and then our room is up on the 3rd floor. I love how bright and airy this hallway feels. A lot of the time at hotels, they can feel super dark and dingy, and this is not one of those places. Welcome. We're gonna start with the bathroom. I don't think Tyler's gonna fit in here with me. Not that it's small, it's just like long. We have a nice gigantic shower. It has 2 shower heads, so you can get all the different kinds of pressure that you want. They have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, which are actually really nice smelling. Same with their lotion. It smells really good. It says Jonathan Adler. Tons of counter space. Their mirror and vanity is super bright also. It's enough about the bathroom. Coming in, it's just a 1-room room. We have a king-size bed here. I'm absolutely obsessed with the headboard. I think it is the most beautiful color, and the texture of it I'm just obsessed with. We each have our own lamp, our own little floating nightstand, and all the regular plugins and USB ports. On this side, we have one of my favorite features that they gave us, which is a robe. They also have another bench here. One of my pet peeves is when hotels don't give you anywhere to put your stuff, and the Aviator Hotel has outdone themselves on that front. They also have, of course, a nice little coffee machine. They have a nice mini fridge here. I kind of love the red color. It's nice and bright. And then a huge, almost like a, I don't know what you would call this, a corner booth?
I don't know.
Usually Tyler corrects me, and if he doesn't know the words for it, we're just gonna skip over it. They also left us some really nice goodies that Tyler's been munching on.
Only 2?
He's eaten like half of what they gave us.
No, I have not.
We have a nice big window here. It overlooks Ship Creek. So if you're familiar with Anchorage, that's kind of like the warehouse district. But if you look out that way, right now the mountains are out and the moon is out and it is absolutely beautiful. It also overlooks the parking lot, which is super nice that they included parking because parking downtown can get kind of tricky sometimes. And then we have our little nook. Nice little reading spot, snack eating spot for Tyler.
I don't eat that many snacks.
And then that just brings us to our nice comfortable bed, and that is our room. And now that we've done everything that was on our list for today, we're gonna hang out for just a little bit, maybe put our feet up because we have way over 10,000 steps, and then we're gonna go eat. We ended up making our way to Palmeria, which is one of the closest restaurants to the Aviator, and the food was absolutely amazing. If you're not really looking for their tropically inspired foods, then we also recommend Whiskey and Ramen, which is where we went our first night and also equally as amazing. If you're going there, definitely get reservations in advance, like weeks in advance, because they tend to be super busy and it's really hard to find a spot to sit. And honorable mention to Sullivan's Steakhouse and Club Paris. Both really nice steakhouses here in town if you're looking for something a bit more fancy. Unfortunately, we're having a bit of a rain and sleet and ice storm right now, and the power's been flickering on and off throughout town. So we're gonna check out and then try to make the drive back home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next Alaskan adventure. Bye! Which is why we're super excited.
Deborah, I found your friend.
Biggest elevator I've ever been on in my life.
The capacity is 18,000 pounds.
How high do you think I could go?
I think all the way.
Nope.
No?
Stop.
Aww.
Not fun. It is fun. Ready? One more.
We're